Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So now it is possible to message yourself on WhatsApp. This is great as you can use it as a diary or notes. So let me show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. So before we begin, let's update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. So go ahead and search for WhatsApp on your App Store or your Play Store and update it if you have any update on it. Once that's updated, go ahead and tap on Open. Next, to message yourself, tap on Chat here at the bottom. Now tap on the new message at the top right. Now once the page loads up, you should see your contact in Contacts on WhatsApp, and just below that, it'll say Message Yourself. So go ahead and tap on it. Now this will open up a chat window, and at the top it'll read Message Yourself. So now this chat can be used for yourself, where you message yourself and you can use it as a note. Anything you write here won't go to anyone and only you can read this chat. So that is how to message yourself on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.